most part.
Hi everyone, my name is David Grady and I'm with Republic Manufacturing, and today I have with us one of our design engineers, Gavin Bird, and our control specialist, Liam Mullins. And we were contacted by a customer on the West Coast, at dental school actually, that asked us to design a system where they could replace their liquid ring pumps for energy efficiency and, of course, obvious reasons to get rid of water. So Gavin, can you tell us a little bit about the system you designed?
Yeah, so for this specific unit, we went with two KV HRC 902s. Each of these can be independently run at variable frequencies in order to hit the customer's set vacuum point that they choose. As far as the structure of it goes, everything is powder coated in a silver hammer tone. We went ahead and used carbon steel for the base and most of the supports. However, on the tank, we went with aluminum. Looking at the tank specifically, the customer requested that we add a removable lid so that the customer can take it off, look inside, do any maintenance and cleaning that they might need to. The tank also includes a vacuum brake, an auto rinse system, and an auto drain system.
So Liam, can you tell us about some of the controls and how they work? What are some of the features we have here?
There's many features that we packaged into this control panel. To start off, we have a power light on the front, so you're easily able to see if there's power to the unit, and you can do some quick troubleshooting.
Cool.
As you open the door, you can see we have a full 7-inch color touchscreen to be able to control the set pressure and all the different PID loops. We have switches to run the pumps in auto mode, which follows the program and modulation, or you can run it in hand mode, which is just full speed for testing. Secondly, we have these big disconnects, so you can easily turn off the blowers in case you were trying to do maintenance while the unit is running. When you open up the second door, you can see we have our two VFDs. The program is run on the touchscreen, but the outputs are all from the VFDs. So we're able to use the smarts and the PLC inside of the VFD to make the system possible.
So if you're interested in one of these systems, please contact one of our sales reps here at Republic Manufacturing. Thank you.